Mm. Good morning. So I think you can hear my voice. So we will study about the angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. You see, previously I told about this. This triangle PQR is a triangle. So what are the angles of triangle? Angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Okay. Now you have to show that sum of the angles is what? What do you have to show? What actually what you have to show? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 180 degree. 180 degree. Now, what about angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5? What is the reason? Straight angle. Okay. But what is the relation between angle 4 and angle 2? Alternate interior angle. Angle 5 is equal to angle 3. What is the reason? Alternate interior angle. So instead of this angle 4, I am so this equation, but angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5. Instead of angle 4, I am writing angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to what? 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to what? 180 degree. So this is the proof of angle sum property of triangle. Okay. So what are the concepts we used here? What are the concepts we used here? Straight angle used, like, then alternate interior angle. Straight angle and alternate interior angle. Next, see, this is an exterior angle, angle 4. Okay, angle 4 is an exterior angle. What about angle 4 plus angle 3? Angle 4 plus angle 3 is 180 degree. What is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3? Angle 2 plus angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So ഈ രണ്ട് ഇക്വേഷന്റെ റൈറ്റ് ഹാൻഡ് സൈഡ് എന്താ വന്നേക്കുന്നത്? 180 ഡിഗ്രി അല്ലേ? അല്ലേ? So you know if right hand side are equal, then left hand side are also equal. So angle 4 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Both side angle 3 cancel. Okay. So angle 4 is equal to what? Angle 1 plus angle 2. So angle 4 is an exterior angle. Angle 1 and angle 2 are remote interior angle. Angle 1 and angle 2 are remote interior remote interior angle. So measure of an exterior angle is equal to measure of an exterior angle is equal to what? Sum of the remote interior angle. Okay, measure of an exterior angle equal to sum of the remote interior angle. Okay, measure of an exterior angle is sum of the remote interior angle. This remote interior angle we can say sometimes but interior opposite angle also, because angle 4 is an exterior angle. This is the interior adjacent angle. അടുത്തുള്ള angle. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് adjacent angle. Angle 1 and angle 2 are called interior opposite angle also. So measure of an exterior angle equal to what? Sum of the remote interior opposite angle. Sorry, interior opposite angle. Or remote interior also okay. That's okay. Hope you understand. Now, so what studied now? What you have studied now? Measure of an exterior angle equal to sum of the interior opposite angle and sum of the all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. മനസ്സിലായോ? Now you see, here is a question. Here ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. BO and CO are the external angle bisector. So exterior angle bisector, and it is meeting at O. You have to show that angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half into angle BAC. 90 minus half into angle BAC. How to do? You take this as X, this angle as Y, this angle as Z. Okay. So what is angle CBE? What is angle CBE? 180 minus YLA. CBE, this CBE. This angle is Y. So what is this angle? 180 minus Y. What is angle DCB? 180 minus 180 minus Z. Okay, agreed. What is this BO? What is BO? You see, bisectors of BO and CO of angle CB. So what is BO? BO is the, what is BO? Angle bisector. BO is what? Angle bisector. So what is, since BO is the angle bisector, കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല? കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? ബോർഡ് കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? കാണുന്നില്ല? നിങ്ങൾ ആ പിന്നിൽ കുത്തിക്ക്. ഉണ്ടോ? Since BO is the angle bisector, what you can say? BO is the angle bisector. What you can say? Angle OBC is what? What is, this is total 180 minus Y. So what is this angle? 180 minus Y by 2. Okay. 180 minus Y by 2. What is angle OCB? 180 minus 180 minus Z by 2. Okay. Now, in triangle OBC, angle OBC plus angle OCB plus angle BOC. What is it? This angle plus this angle plus this angle. What is it? 180 degree. But what is angle OBC? 180 minus y by 2. This is what? 180 minus z by 2 plus angle BOC is equal to what? 180 degree. What is this 180 minus y by 2? 90 minus y by 2. This is what? 90 minus z by 2 plus angle BOC is equal to what? 180. Eh? മനസ്സിലായോ? So 90 minus y by 2 plus 90 minus z by 2 plus angle BOC is equal to what? 180. So angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 90 plus y by 2 minus 90 plus z by 2 plus minus 90 minus 90 180 cancel. So it is y plus z by 2. Y plus z by 2. What is y plus z? Actually it is a triangle in which x, y, z. So what is y plus z? What is y plus z? Can you write 180 minus x by 2? കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഹലോ ഹലോ കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഈ y plus z കാണുന്നില്ല? എന്റെ ആ ഫോട്ടോയില് പിന്നിൽ ഒന്ന് പ്രസ് ചെയ്ത് പിന്നില് 180 മൈനസ് x കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? 3 ഫോട്ടോ ഇല്ലേ? 3 ഫോട്ടോ ഏതെങ്കിലും പിന്നിലൊന്ന് കുത്ത്. വന്നോ? 180 minus x by 2. What is 180 minus x by 2? 90 minus അല്ലേ? 90 minus x by 2. What is 90? 90 minus x is what? What is this x? Half into angle BAC. This is the answer. I cannot go back say. So this is the way 90 minus angle BOC is equal to y by 2 plus z by 2. That is y plus z by 2. And this is in triangle XYZ, triangle ABC. Sum of three angles 180 degree. That is x plus y plus z is equal to what? 180. So what is y plus z? 180 minus x. So 180 minus x by 2. 180 minus x by 2 is what? 90 minus x by 2. That is 90 minus half into angle BAC. This is very important question. Examination regularly asking this question. So note down this question. Okay. Hope you understand. Is it clear? Hello. ഞാൻ വീഡിയോ ഇട്ട് തരാം, എഴുതിക്കോണം കേട്ടോ. എന്റെ കുഞ്ഞെ ഞാൻ ബാക്കി എല്ലാം കാണുന്നു. ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ നോക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഞാൻ വേറെ ഫോണിൽ നോക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പം കാണുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ. നീ നിന്റെ ആ പിൻ കുത്ത അവിടെ ഉള്ള എന്റെ ഫോട്ടോയിലുള്ള പിൻ ഒന്ന് കുത്തിക്ക്. ആ പിന്നിൽ പ്രസ് ചെയ്താ വരും. Now in figure 6.3 of this question, QP and RQ of triangle PQR are produced to point S and T. QP is produced to S and RQ is produced to T. Angle SPR 135 degree. PQ angle is we are 135 degree, angle PQT 110 degree. എന്തുവാ ഇതിനിടയ്ക്ക്? Find the angle PRQ. You have to find out angle PRQ. So, what is this angle? Tell me. 180 minus 135. What is it? This is 45 degree. What is this angle? 70 degree. So you have to find out angle PRQ. So what is angle PRQ? Ah, ah, ah. Okay, good. So you can write 135 plus angle QPR is equal to what? 180. What is the reason? Linear pair. That is linear pair. Okay. 45 degree. So similarly, 110 plus angle PQR is equal to what? 180 degree. Angle PQR is equal to what? 180 minus 110. So what is it? 70 degree. So in triangle PQR, you can say 45 plus 70 plus angle PRQ is equal to what? 180 degree. Angle PRQ is equal to 180 minus 115. What is 180 minus 115? 65 degree. Okay. This here we have to apply angle sum. This reason is angle sum property. Here what is the reason? Linear pair. Okay. Now, now in triangle, in this figure, angle is 62 degree, angle by 54 degree. You have to find out angle YOZ and angle OZY. Okay. What is angle Z? 62 plus 54 plus angle Z is equal to what? What is it? 180 degree. So angle Z is equal to 180 to 180 minus 62 minus 54. So what is it? 180 minus 116. What is 180 minus 116? 64 degree. So what is this angle? So YO and Z are the bisectors. YO and Z are the bisectors. You have to find out angle OZY. What is angle OZY? It is bisector. So half into angle Z. So half into 64. What is half into 64? 32 degree. 32 degree. What is angle OYZ? Half into 54. Alle? So 27 degree. Now you know 32 plus 27 plus YOZ is equal to what? 180. So angle YOZ is equal to 180 minus 32 minus 27. So 180 minus 59. What is 180 minus 59? 121 degree. Okay, 121 degree. Now, in this triangle, angle BAC is 35 degree, angle CDE 53 degree. You have to find out angle DCE. This is the thing we have to find out. What is the relation between these two angles? alternate interior angle. So you can write angle CD is equal to what? 35 degree. Reason is what? Alternate interior angle. Now you see this angle is now 35 degree. This is 35 degree. Now 35 plus 53 plus angle DCE is equal to 180 degree. Angle DC is equal to what? 180 minus 88. What is it? 92 degree. Okay. Now here, if lines PQ and RS intersect at a point T, at the angle PRT 40 degree. This is 95 degree. ആ കുട്ടികൾ അവിടുത്തെ ആ മൈക്ക് ഓഫ് ആക്കിയേ. 40 degree, 95 degree. Angle TSQ 75 degree. You have to find out angle SQT. So first of all, you have to find out this angle. What is this angle? 95 plus 40 plus angle PTR is equal to 180. So angle PTR is equal to what? 180 minus 135. What is angle? 45 degree. So since it is 45 degree, what is this angle? This angle also 45 degree. Now what you have to find out? 45 plus 75 plus angle SQT 180 degree. So 120 plus angle SQT is equal to what? 180. Angle SQT is equal to what? 180 minus 120. What is answer? 60 degree. Okay. Now this question. Why this Rishi Narayan is late? Yesterday also you were late. What happened? Eh? Rishi Narayan. So you have to find out x and y. What is the relation between these two angles? Alternate interior angle. So you can write what? X plus 28 is equal to what? 65 degree. X is equal to what? 65 minus 28. What is it? 65 minus 28? 37. Huh? It is 37 degree. So x is 37. Now how to find out y? X plus y plus 90 is equal to 180. 37 plus y plus 90 is equal to 180. Y is equal to what? 180 minus 127. What is it? 53 degree. 53 degree. Okay. Here we are applying angle sum property and alternate interior angle.